Hey there, my name's David. On this episode of Unusual Foods, we'll be doing a taste test of this, which is the banana squash. This is, well, half a banana squash. This one wasn't the biggest one. This is only about this big. I had another one which was much bigger. They do get quite large. So this thing, I notice it doesn't last very long. You have about 2 or 3 weeks before it starts going bad. So something to note if you're wanting to grow this. So first off, I don't know if people eat that raw. I'm not gonna eat it raw, but I have it cooked. You can see nice and steaming hot here in my Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, I'll link it down below. They're fantastic for cooking stuff because you don't have to watch them. You just set the time and then you just set it and then come back and it's cooked. So that's what I've done with this. I've noticed the flesh on this, incredibly soft, and the peel also breaks apart very easily. So this is gonna be an edible peel. So I also have a couple of the seeds in here. I cooked all the seeds. We'll see if they taste good or terrible, which is a big gamble with a lot of these squash. So first off, it smells very good. It smells like a butternut squash. Nutty, kind of rich, earthy, kind of very nutty kind of smell to it. Okay, so it's very, very creamy, very nutty. Very much tastes like the smell. Let's try the peel. So we got peel here. Yeah, peel's fine to eat. It's about like, it's kind of like eating maybe kaboka squash peel when it's cooked. Maybe like a little bit kind of crunchy, like a zucchini peel that's not fully cooked, something like that, but totally fine. It doesn't really change the taste much. The actual flesh in the inside here tastes much more flavorful, nutty, and rich than the peel. It's kind of like a really rich taste with just a tiny bit of zing to it. I don't know how else to describe it. And the seeds here, try a couple of these. Taste is good. Tastes actually like nuts. The texture is not good. Very, 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 very fibrous. You could blend these up, use them for something. So this is a good tasting squash. I would say it tastes better than a butternut squash. I personally really love the kabocha, whatever squash. That would be my favorite. So this one, this isn't as good as a red curry squash either. Red curry squash is fantastic. That would probably be second on my list. So maybe this one's both fourth. Blue Hubbard squash would taste better than this one as well. So it's somewhere in the middle there. It's a pretty good, decent tasting, nutty kind of squash. This would make a great, like a paste, like something you put on toast or something, like a hummus or something like that. So hopefully you learned a little bit about the banana squash, and be sure to subscribe, join the family. Until the next one, have a good one.